Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to start off using the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre. And I'm going to also use the palette called Blood Sugar from Jeffree Star Cosmetics to do this look today. I'm going to take the shade called Root Canal and apply this above my crease. And then I will also use the shade called Extraction from the palette, and taking a smaller brush, I'll be putting this into the crease area and just blending this from the inner corner to the outer corner and making it look nice. I'll be taking the shade called Cavity, and this is going to soften the shade Root Canal that I used before, which also was the first shade I used, and just blending this outwards as well to create like a sophisticated eyeshadow look. And cutting my crease, I always use the Catrice HD Camouflage Concealer. And then I decided to apply a shade called Glucose in the palette before I decided to use the pigment from NYX Cosmetics called Champagne with the NYX primer. And after I did that, I really wanted to try out the red, so I went in with the Cherry Soda color from the Blood Sugar palette and applied this from the outer corner to like close to the middle section of my eyes. And I just loved how it added a pop of color to the look. I really love the red. It was super pigmented. Next, I really wanted to add like more glitter to the look, so I used the NYX glitter liner. I'll leave the shade down below in the description. I'm also using the Ofra Signature palette, and I'm using the shade Pillow Talk as the highlighter for my underbrows. And then I like to use the Tarteus clay liner, for any look that I use with pigments or gels. And I created a wing liner for this look. And then I'm going to use my Too Faced Cosmetics mascara and these lashes from Juno & Co. And then I just like to use the same shades I did earlier for my eyeshadows in the bottom, and also the same highlighter for the inner corners. And this mascara is by AOA Studios. Love it. You guys know it as well. And then I just used this Morphe gel liner to darken the waterline of my eyes. And for these lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Can't Relate and the metallic lip gloss by Morphe called Jinx. And there you guys have it, this quick tutorial of this pink glittery look. I hope you guys like it. Love you guys. Bye.